Morning Sun Homestead. Today we're going to be making cow and talon soap. What this is going to contain is cow's milk. The cow's milk needs to be froze before it's used because the sugar will mess up the lye. So it has to be frozen in order to put that where the right temperature will come about. We have lye, talon, shea butter, coconut oil, olive oil. We're going to use peppermint to scent. Our soap mold box. I put parchment paper in the box to be able to pull it out when it's finished. Yes, it's a little crinkled on the sides. This is for my family. We're not selling it. It will be fine. Bowl to measure all of our oils, and then a digital scale, so we're very accurate. This is talon made from our Homestead beef. A link is in the description below of how to render talon down. This can be done with your own beef fat or store-bought beef fat. All the fats are heated at the lowest temperature possible. Turn the heat off before all the fats and oils melt. This will help bring the temperature down to 100 degrees quicker. The frozen milk has been weighed and added to a glass jar. The lye is added to the jar with the milk cubes. Always wear glasses and gloves when handling lye. If the lye does get on your skin, quickly wash with white vinegar. The lye begins to melt the cubes. Give the cubes and lye a thorough stir and let set. The lye will also need to be cooled to 100 degrees. Usually, if the fat and oils and lye will need to be set for 50 minutes to cool off. The oils will be poured into a sturdy pot. The lye and milk water will be added to the oils. Always pour the lye into the fat and oils, not the fat and oils into the lye. Begin mixing with a stick blender. This will take 7 to 10 minutes. Mix until thick, like a warm pudding. Pour into the molds and put in the refrigerator or freezer overnight. The next morning, remove the mold and cut the soap. This soap will need to cure for 4 to 6 weeks on a rack with airflow. See the description below for our cow's milk and talon soap recipe. Thanks for watching.